How to earn money using WhatsApp. WhatsApp is one of the most frequently used applications. Over 53% of users check it at least once a day. Being able to monetize and earn money using WhatsApp is a bonus for almost anyone looking to generate passive income. As a business or marketer, it's important to understand the differences between each other. Marketers are the users who post ads from businesses on their social media accounts and get paid for their efforts. Businesses, on the other hand, are those that post their own products, services, and even advertisements on the platform for marketers to post. Short links. One of the most commonly used and most easy to implement ways of earning money on WhatsApp is via short links. Short links are shorter versions of a URL, whereas a typical URL is very long with a lot of numbers and alphabets in it. Having a shorter link also increases the likelihood of people clicking on your links. Once you have a short link and you share it with your friends, family, and general WhatsApp contact list, and they click through on your link. Whenever someone will click on the link shared by you, an advertisement will pop up before the target link. It is this advertisement embedded between your short link and target link which enables you to earn. As is the case with all advertisements, the more clicks on your link, the more the advertisement embedded in your short link will be viewed and the more commission you will generate. Affiliate links. When it comes to how to earn money on WhatsApp, affiliate marketing is one way to go by it. Affiliate marketing is all the rage on all social forums. From Instagram influencers to Facebook celebrities, everyone is using affiliate marketing to promote one thing or the other. With only 2% of affiliate marketers using WhatsApp as a means to earn, there is a huge market potential to penetrate and use this opportunity to your benefit. Once you have the affiliate link, you share it with your audience, and whenever someone clicks on the affiliate link provided by you and buys something from it, you get a commission. Copy the link and share it as a WhatsApp status, in WhatsApp groups, or even in private chats. Marketing your business or expertise. Another way how to earn money on WhatsApp is by marketing your business or expertise. We all have our forte. Something we are great at doing. Nothing is stopping us from turning that into a skill set and starting a business if we know how to use WhatsApp for business marketing. And if you have already done that and turned your expertise into a stream of revenue, all you need is to learn how to earn money through WhatsApp using your unique talents. The best place to start is with your existing contact list on WhatsApp and convert that into a customer base. These will become your early adopters and help you start on this journey. Register as a WhatsApp marketeer for business. WhatsApp marketeer for business is not a term you may have heard often, but it is very much real, and you can be one too. To be a successful WhatsApp marketeer for businesses, you need to know how to use WhatsApp for business marketing. People are paid to promote businesses on WhatsApp as marketers. Pay per download. One way how to make money from WhatsApp is to earn through pay per download. PPD or pay per download is a service provided by various websites. To earn from this, you upload videos, pictures, games, music, or any other content on these websites. Whenever someone downloads any of the content that you uploaded, the website will pay you for it. The payout depends on the volume of downloads. The way these websites earn money and in turn pay you a small commission is by showing an ad or having the viewer fill out a short online survey or form before downloading. You may use File Upload, Up4Ever, or any other PPD website to upload your content, then share it with your WhatsApp contacts with a call to action to download the content from your links. Redirect traffic to websites or blogs. Another way how to make money from WhatsApp is redirecting traffic to websites or blogs. Having traffic on your monetized website or blog increased your earnings, so if you have a monetized blog, it is a great idea to use WhatsApp to redirect traffic to your existing blog. Blogs are monetized through affiliate links or by showing advertisements. Using WhatsApp to drive traffic to your blog posts by posting it on your status or sharing the link in groups or via direct messages. This way there is also the potential of your content going viral on WhatsApp if more people are interested in it. Add interested people to the group. The more value you will deliver, the more people would be interested in joining your group. Once you have a great pipeline established, recruiters and companies would seek you out to help them find the right candidate by sharing the job opportunity in your groups in exchange for a referral fee. Cross-promotion. Cross-promotion is one of the most efficient ways to take advantage of different monetized platforms. One example of this is using WhatsApp to cross-promote other revenue-generating ventures. Become a WhatsApp marketer for businesses. WhatsApp has become an increasingly popular platform in recent years. It is utilized for both personal as well as commercial purposes, allowing users to send and receive messages, pictures, audio files, and much more. Becoming a WhatsApp marketer for businesses can be a very lucrative career choice with the potential to make good money. As a WhatsApp marketer for businesses, one needs to have plenty of contacts who are actively engaging in conversations on the platform. Drive traffic to your blog. One of the most effective ways to generate income from blogging is to drive traffic to your blog. With WhatsApp, you can reach a wider audience and share content that will increase the visibility of your blog. First, create an attractive WhatsApp group with the same name as your blog domain. Then, share interesting posts from your blog in the group with a link to the post. If your blog post is interesting enough, people will click on the link and visit your blog, which in turn will increase traffic. You can also post links to other websites related to your niche and include some interesting facts about the subject. Earn money WhatsApp group links. Earning money is increasingly becoming popular as more and more people are looking for ways to supplement their income. For those who have actively sought out reliable earning opportunities, online WhatsApp groups offer a great platform to be part of. There are several WhatsApp groups dedicated to helping users earn money by sharing market advice, business information, and providing tips on how to manage finances effectively. The Earn Money WhatsApp group links provide members with an opportunity to remain up to date with the ever-changing world of online markets. Joining such a group also gives one the privilege of benefiting from exclusive offers that are shared only within the group and taking advantage of great deals from time to time. You can use WhatsApp to complement your overall monetization strategy, but it's important to explore other channels and platforms that offer more direct monetization options and a broader reach.